What's up, YouTube world? My name's Leah Anderson. Welcome to my first ever YouTube channel. I'm calling it The Backwoods Blonde. People have been telling me to start a YouTube channel for quite some time now. What you're going to be seeing here is ice fishing, hunting, bow fishing, mainly everything that's outdoors. I'm doing it. I've had a passion for being in the outdoor world for many, many years now, and I figured it's time to start sharing some good content with you guys. So if you like what you see, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the ice.
What is up, everyone? Rough morning. Just got to the gas station, got some McDonald's. Gonna get some go-go right now. How much stuff does 4 guys need? Because apparently it's a lot. Got them extra toughs on today. Oh, my socks should not look like that. Truck is locked and loaded this morning. I'm about to go catch some crappies. Oh yeah, she's packed full. Welcome to the Backwoods Blonde. Yeah, let's get it going. Trusty rig here. We got the essentials. Let's get it. Deer hunting or fishing? Made it onto the lake at 7:25 in the morning. Packing light because we had quite a bit of a walk. Hopefully, using that live scope, gonna find some schools of big crappies this morning. Got about 4 inches here, central Minnesota. Had a good snowfall this morning. Gonna be about 30-mile-an-hour winds this afternoon. So yeah, we'll see how that plays out. Hopefully the bite's hot this morning. Of course, using those safety precautions on the ice. Got the cleats, got the picks, flotation, Bibs by Striker. Yep. Still got a couple snowflakes coming down. It's supposed to snow about 1 inch today. Get some holes drilled and get fishing. Tying on a Tika Flash by Clam. So funny. Huh? Do a quick ice check. We're at 26.7. About 9 inches for those of you that like to think highly. Alright, let's fish. using the tuned up custom rod, the Bullwhip. Black Betty reel by 13 Fishing. Finicky little things.
Oh, you got fish on there? Yeah. Couple of them, couple feet off the bottom if you like.
Come on, chase it.
Oh, top of that hole. What?
There we go.
Alex. I got some shit.
Cute little thing.
Wacko over here right now. This shit is a fucking son of a
Just slurped it.
They're like 50 feet back. But there's no fucking hole.
Just wrecked that. Got pliers on you?
No one has a hook. They're getting bigger. I'm worried about getting a fucking line or fucking harder. That was way closer than 25 feet. He's coming. Looks like a nicer one coming your way. One right. See that one? Right below you. Don't touch the one right below you.
Don't catch that one, catch the other one. Tell that one not to eat it. Oh, hooked up. Alright, we're gonna go over there. Any size?
Nicer? Fuck, I don't know. Really?
Decent.
Choke.
Just choked. Now they're getting hungry.
They're fired. Well, they're chomping.
Making a move. Alright, we're gonna try out this one. At least the weather's nice. Like it's not freezing.
No, it ain't bad.
A little snow ain't gonna hurt anyone.
What's that one like? Little?
About the same as all the other ones.
We need big old daddy to come through. Come on.
They're just kind of scattering now. You already fucked the whole school and just fucking busted them?
No, I didn't.
No, I feel like they don't even know what's going on.
I just don't think they're screwed up yet. They probably are.
We need to go find those big alone marks.
Yeah.
Gotta eat it. Come on. There we go. Hooked up. Come on now. Come on now. Yo. This one's decent.
Oh yeah.
Hooked perfectly too.
Yeah, I really would. Yeah. I have 3 of them in my fucking jacket. Fuck no.
go. Oh. Oh. Look at all of them down there. Just screaming up. Ready? Oh, ayo. Just chowed. Hello, Mr. Duck. It's something. Just perfect. Right on that Tika. Going back. There we go. Here we go. Ayo. This might be a nicer one. Slam Fest. Oh yeah. Oh, no. I was quite wrong. But hey, we're on. Just choked. This one's gonna eat. Or his friend's gonna beat him to it.
Hey, how many fish are you marking?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You better catch a fish out of that school.
Is your graph actually working today?
Yes, it's working very well. I like it. Yours was doing the weird thing though.
Yeah, I know. Mine always reads like dog shit on red for some reason.
It's doing it right now though. Come on, eat it. It's literally, I brought it up to 14 feet. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, he's a dink. Sink, sink, sink. Watch this big mark come over here. Ayo. Am I gonna pull my juicer? No, probably not. Oh yeah, coming up from the depths. Yep, now he's in my juicer. That's fine. Decent, decent. Kiss your fish. Just swallowed.
Fish again up at 15 feet. They just swim through and won't touch a fucking thing.
Decent.
I'd mark them on at 15 right now.
There it goes. Sometimes just push the air out of them.
Here, little buddy. I'll let you go.
There we go. Maybe nice. Here we go, here we go. It's a nice one. You'd think I'd learn and pull my juicer, but I don't really care. Are we keeping any?
I mean, if I don't care, I'll keep whatever.
I don't plan on
If we see one that won't go down the hole, I can throw it on the ice. I believe they're still in here.
it. No, I'm sure there's still some big ones in here, but probably it wasn't like the first time I came up here.
Is it a night bite or middle of the day when you went out?
Night.
it a night bite or middle of the day when you went out?
Night.
Fox River, good PR here.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Put on me big old fucking really Oh, I love them things.
Especially on the big pond when they just
Just
absolutely
a little
paper trail it.
baby. Baby.
My fucking favorite. They don't have to fuck with minnows and it's nice. and
Oh,
fluffy.
come on, my guy. Why you gotta
Yep.
do that?
If they miss it, you don't have to worry. Did they rip the head off?
Nope. And usually if they hit it, there's so many goddamn hooks on that thing, they're getting hooked.
Oh yeah.
Back down the hole he
Minutes and
goes.
then fucking get the fuck out of here.
Yep.
It's kind of
Sounds
cold.
like a good plan.
Not really.
Do you want it? Yeah. He is unsure at this moment.
Bad crappie for this lake.
Oh, he's coming back.
Yeah. Fuck you. Alright, make me reel up.
Oh, there you go.
We just hooked up on our last fish up this lake. Probably just a fucking slab.
Not bad.
Definitely ain't great.
Well, you're just a negative Nancy over there. About the same. Ah! I just get snow in my eye.
Ouch. I'm not crying. That's it for this lake. We're gonna pack her up and go try a different one. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Alright, we're on lake number 2. It's still snowing pretty good. Light cargo. Gonna go check the ice. Looks like about 8 for you. While the hike continues. Well, that lake was a bust. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why you ask for permission. They are giving us permission to walk out from their land. It cuts our walk from the access probably in 3/4. The boys didn't have faith in me that I would get permission, but you know, it happens. So, we're at our 3rd lake. We're gonna walk out and try and hammer some walleyes. This lake's a little sloppy. That's why you have ice cleats.
This cocksucker's going, that's the shit.
Oh my god. I don't even know. We're gonna go whole hop around for a little bit. Well, it is Sunday, December 10th. We are on Mille Lacs this morning. Much colder than yesterday, temperature-wise. Yesterday it was way windier. A little recap of yesterday. Lakes 2 and 3 were a bust. We did over 4.5 miles of walking. And, but that's fishing. Caught those crappies in the morning, went after walleye in the afternoon, and for the night bite on some new lakes. It's kind of the way of the road. It's you have that passion for it, and you go back out and do it again the next day. And that's exactly what we're doing. We are heading out to catch some big Mille Lacs walleyes this morning. I have to leave early, unfortunately, because I work. But that's adulting. You gotta go to work to be able to have fun. So I'll let you know how we do.
Decent one?
Yeah. That's a Mille Lacs walleye. I thought it was just going to be a dink because it didn't pull my juicer. There we go. I'm going to go measure. Get her on a tape measure real quick. $18.5. Alright, well, it's about 12 o'clock. I'm walking back in by myself, leaving the boys alone. I gotta get to work. We caught about 4 this morning. I caught 2, that 18.5. Yeah. Overall recap of the weekend. It was a good time. I didn't catch a whole lot, but like I said before, that's fishing. You have that passion for it. Even though you get skunked, you go back out and keep doing it. So, if you guys like the video, feel free to like and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys watching. It's definitely harder than it looks. That pressure of making sure you get on fish for content, making sure you get it on film. That's pretty hard too. Because your GoPro batteries die so fast, it's so cold. But we have all winter, so this is just the beginning. I'm excited to really get on them, hammer them, hopefully get it on film for you guys. So I appreciate you. Till next time.